bro.
You're getting prepared for the marathon on Sunday.
No, go up. No, you want to run that car up there.
Oh, look at the power.
Oh.
Wow.
See, this is the lowest level right here.
Wow.
Look, there's a camera crew right there.
Wow.
Look, the camera crew right here.
It's really bad. Wow, look at the pole down.
You want to talk to them?
Nah.
It still looks like a hurricane just happened
Channel 2.
here. A lot of work is left to
Come on,
be done, and they want more resources from the city, not just food, water, but also crews to come and help them rebuild.
Recording live.
Yeah, recording live. I got this on record too, right?
Oh,
Look at this, man.
look at this.
People went into it.
Wow. God bless everybody, please. Look at the staircase. It's the whole deck.
Total.
Toto's gone. The whole sidewalk caved in.
Look at this.
Look, the street could cave in. Wow, the whole thing caved in. Everything caved in.
We better get the hell out of here. Get a little slow.
You're not going to go down farther, Cap?
Wow. I really can't believe how deep it caved in. Look at that.
Oh, that's all undermined.
That's at least 6 to 8 feet.
Look, they're towing cars now.
Wow, it went right through here.
They said they found bodies in a couple of the cars they were towing. Wow. Heartbreaking, it really is.
The water came right over like nothing.
Oh my God.
All these houses, they don't check all these houses. There could be people dead in them.
They're still not done checking. They've been checking every day. They're going block by block, each house. Wow, look at this, that stop. Wow, look how deep it caved in.
Look at that fucking truck.
Oh shit. Wow. This the shit the news ain't showing. Watch your mouth. News ain't showing any of this. Wow. It's really bad over here. Yeah, I didn't see the caved in on any of the news channels.
Yeah, man, they aren't.
Wow, the whole fence blew off.
Yeah, this house is sucked down.
Look at that over there.
This is what they set up at Midland Beach.
Yep.
Yeah, right in here, look. She's going in, see what they're doing.
The American Red Cross. Real life shit in New York City. The forgotten boroughs.
Check it on. Yeah. Nah, man, I'm good. If your grandma made fish.
I'm gonna let it go here.
The news station's on Hunter too, Dad.
Mas enfim,